A very good morning to our principal ma'am, Professor Dr. Mamta Sharma, our guest speaker, Shri Arbir Srivastava sir, our professors, Professor Bhavna Rajput ma'am, and Dr. Mali ma'am, and most importantly, all the students present over here. I am Yashika Pawar, NSS volunteer, student of BA program 3rd year. A very warm welcome to you all in webinar on e-waste management 2021, organized by National Service Scheme of Aditi Mahavidyalaya in collaboration with Swachh Bharat Mission Committee. At its core, the issue of a clean environment is a matter of public health, as quoted by Gina McCarthy, Administrator for the US Environmental Protection Agency. Hence, the rising quantity of e-waste and discard is not just a waste management concern, it is more of a public health issue, which we all need to take care of. With this objective, now I am pleased to invite Professor Bhavna Rajput for opening remarks of this event. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Yashika. Honorable Chief Guest Shri R.B. Srivastava, Principal Consultant, Prima Focus Technologies, respected Principal Ma'am Professor Mamta Sharma, eminent faculty members, and my dear students. A very good morning to you all, and a warm welcome for the webinar on e-waste management and Swachh Bharat mission, organized by Swachh Bharat Committee in collaboration with NSS unit of the college. Thank you all for joining today as we discuss a challenge facing not just India but the whole world. A challenge which affects human health. This calls for an overhaul of the current electronic system and electrical system, emphasizing the need for a circular economy in which the resources are not just extracted, used, or discarded, but valued and rescued in a way that minimize the environmental impact and create a very decent and sustainable job. All these relevant sectors should work in a very coordinated manner to develop a comprehensive and a systematic solution that is sustainable and environmentally sound. I am pleased to welcome the representative from NGO and the academicians in this webinar. I am delighted that all these issues would be addressed during this webinar. I wish all a stimulating discussion and a good cooperation. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was indeed motivating and extremely informative. As the great Albert Einstein said, we cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created, with the same thinking we used when we created them. Our principal ma'am has always been motivation for innovative thoughts to resolve the issues and concerns, especially by developing a relationship between students and environment. With this spirit, now I would like to invite our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Professor Mamta Sharma, for inaugural address and welcoming our guest speaker for today's event. Ma'am, please give your valuable guidance on e-waste management to tell of us. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our resource person and all the students and the faculty members and the NGO members on e-waste management organized by our NSS volunteers in collaboration with Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Committee, coordinated by Professor Bhavna Rajput, the convener of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and Dr. Mali Sarvaria. She is the program officer of NSS of Aditi Mahavidyalaya. This webinar has been organized as a series of initiatives taken by the college to create awareness about the relative importance. As Gandhiji said, clean mind lives in a clean body. With this spirit, on behalf of Aditi Mahavidyalaya, I welcome our guest speaker for this webinar, Shri R.B. Srivastava ji, who has been Senior Principal Environment Consultant in Prima Focus Technologies. He carries immense experience in the field of e-waste management and has been eminent part of many international and national training programs in the e-waste management. I would like to announce the winners of the competitions that have happened. With immense pleasure, pride, and happiness, I congratulate all the students who participated in multi-task, multi-talent competition on the theme Green Aditi, My Efforts. Honestly speaking, it was a tough competition as each one of you deserved to be the winner.
Now I would like to introduce our guest speaker for the day, Shri R.B. Srivastava sir from Prima Focus Technology. And as ma'am shared, he has been part of many international and national training campaigns on e-waste management, and he carries immense experience and lots of interactive. He has also been part of our last conference, and he is a principal and senior professional environment consultant with very enriching experience across different industry sectors. With this expertise, I'm really feeling so glad for our students that they'll be getting lots of knowledge today on how to manage e-waste, and as our principal ma'am also focused upon how we as a college can intervene in the same, and how to create a trash for the same in our college. Sir, over to you, sir, for your valuable inputs on this session. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. First of all, thank you, Dr. Mali. But also, I would like to thank Professor Mamta Sharma ji, and Professor Bhavna Rajput, and all the participants of this particular webinar. I'm really glad that Aditi Mahavidyalaya is taking a lead role in conducting such kind of webinars. Today's topic is e-waste management. Let me inform you what is e-waste. Which kind of equipment are listed in e-waste as per the government guidelines, CPCB. This is computer and peripherals, desktops, monitors, computer mice, cable and all IT accessories, laptops, hard drives, computer power supplies. You can read it for yourself. Then we have got another list: mobile devices, cell phones, tablets, PDA, personal digital assistant, gaming devices, MP3 players, which are now out of date, camera, test equipments. Then we can go to electronic and industrial scrap office and telecommunication equipment, like copiers, fax machines. What are copiers, by the way? What are copiers? Photostat machines are called copiers. Fax machines, video and audio equipment, PBX exchange systems, projection equipment like projectors, printers, plotters, security. Then we have got data center equipment. So thank you so much. I would just like to put an end to this video. But now I come to, if you have got any queries, I'll be happy to answer that.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us with your knowledge. Today's webinar was full of knowledge and interesting things. Interventions you told us about the e-waste management was really informative. Thank you so much, sir.
On the behalf of all the NSS volunteers, I would like to thank Dr. R.B. Srivastava ji for being there with us. In such a short span of time, he has explained so many things. Edward Everett has always said, I am only one, but I am one. I cannot do everything, but I can do something. And I'll not let what I cannot do interfere with what I can do. And this is the spirit which Srivastava sir has instilled in all of us, and that spirit of volunteerism collectively and along with Prima Focus Technologies, I'm sure our college is going to go ahead with the e-waste management plans together. I would like to thank our principal ma'am for inspiring us for this session. I would like to thank Professor Rajput, Bhavna Rajput, for being there with us as constant support. And I would like to thank our NSS volunteers team, our judges for the competition, and our medical committee team members for organizing this. And yes, a heartfelt thanks to backbone of this program, all the students, all of you there.
Yeah.
And sir, I would like to ask any one-line message for all our students there for being there in e-waste management process. Any one-line message from your side for all of us and our students?